belong, you know. Come on, angel, come on, darling. Let's exchange the experience.